Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is simple machine. So let's understand first of all what is machine. So machine is anything which help us to perform our work easier and faster and in very less time. So faster means less time also. Means machine makes our work faster and easier. Means in less time we can do more work by applying less amount of energy. So see how it is important for us. In less time, less energy and more work. So don't you think machines are like magic? They do your work in less time with with taking less amount of energy, and we are getting more work. So machine is very important for us. If you take example of machines like your car, if you want to go to from Namada to Hiswa, if you start walking, it will take I think 1 or 2 hour or 1.5 hour at least will take from Nawada to Hiswa, 13 kilometers. So I think 1.5 or 2 hour is enough. But if you use a cycle, it will take less, like 1 hour. If you use a bike, it will take half an hour. If you use a car, it will take 20 minutes. So see how beneficial machines are. They are saving our energy, they are saving our time, and we are getting results in faster. I mean in less time we are getting results. So machines are very helpful for us. If you talk about simple machine, then scissors are there. They help us to cut anything easily, okay, with less by applying less force. So this way we use machines in our life. Next thing is machines usually involve movement. Means machines move and they do their work. Move means don't understand they start walking from one place to other place. No, they stay at the same place but their parts are moving and they are performing their work. Next is machine is a combination of simple machines. A big machine is a combination of simple machine. So now the question arises, what is a simple machine? What is a simple machine? Car is a machine, bus is a machine, your computer is also a machine. But now what is a simple machine? So let's start this topic, simple machine. So any tool which we are using and which is making our work easier and faster by applying force. We are applying force on that tool and we are getting our work easier and faster. So that is what is a machine, a simple machine is. If you ask for the example, scissors, knife, needle, yes, needle you can consider also a machine. So see how simple these things are, and we are using these things in our day-to-day life. So here simple machines are any tool which makes our work easier by applying force, and we apply force at a particular point. We are not applying force everywhere, we are applying force at a particular point. So class, in this chapter we will understand the simple machines. We'll talk about the simple machines. So here is the thing, a knife is also an example of simple machine. So what are the main simple machines which we use in our daily life or which we are going to use learn in this chapter? So first of all, let's understand the different main simple machines which we are going to understand in this chapter. The number one is lever. The number one is lever. Number two, inclined plane. Number three, wedge. Number four, wheel and axle. Number five, pulley. Number five, pulley. And number six is screw. So these are the some simple machines we are going to discuss in this chapter. I hope you are able to understand machine. That is, machine is anything which make our work faster and easier. Simple machine, tools that make our work easier by applying force. So these are the machine and simple machine. We will discuss more in the next video lecture. Have a great day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.